तो स्वागत है आप सभी का द कॉमर्स बड़ी चैनल में। तो फ्रेंड्स, आज अपन फिर से कोर्सेज देखने वाले गाइस, और अगेन आज अपन यूडेमी के 10 कोर्सेज देखने वाले गाइस, जो कि अमेजिंग है। अगर आप इंजीनियरिंग बैकग्राउंड के हो, आर्ट्स बैकग्राउंड के हो, या कोई भी बैकग्राउंड के हो गाइस, तो आप ये सब कोर्सेज एनरोल कर सकते हो। तो गाइस, तो ये जो कोर्सेज है गाइस, ये लिमिटेड टाइम ऑफर के लिए, इसका कूपन कोड मैं आपको दूंगा। अगर आप कूपन कोड अप्लाई कर लेते हो तो अच्छी बात है। अगर आप थोड़ी देर बाद वीडियो देखोगे मेरे अपलोड होने के बाद, तो वो कूपन कोड एक्सपायर हो जाएगा। तो इस बात है आपको याद रखना है गाइस। तो वीडियो को स्टार्ट करते हैं। वीडियो स्टार्ट करने से पहले गाइस, अभी तक आपने चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो जल्दी सब्सक्राइब कर देना, और बेल आइकन को भी प्रेस कर देना, जिससे कोई भी आपका अपडेट मिस नहीं हो। ठीक है, तो लेट मी शेयर माय स्क्रीन। सो फ्रेंड्स, यू कैन सी दैट मैं यूडेमी के ऑफिशियल प्लेटफॉर्म पे आ गया हूँ। यहाँ पे अराउंड 10 कोर्सेज हैं गाइस, जिसमें आपका नंबर 1 कोर्स मिल जाता है, जो कि है बिजनेस स्ट्रेटजी रिलेटेड पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन डिप्लोमा इन डिजिटलाइजेशन ऑफ रिटेल बैंकिंग। तो गाइस, those candidates who are interested for net banking and all banking sector, they want to go post graduations in diploma in banking, retail banking, they can enroll in this course. You can see digital at sales, cross sale, loyalty, increase in cost, risk decrease, practical cases, and profitability assessment. So you can see the ratings also, 4.3 ratings, 8,151 students already enrolled in this course. You can see the 1 hour video lecture will be there, 3 downloadable resources, लाइफ टाइम एक्सेस, एंड देयर विल बी सर्टिफिकेट ऑफ कंप्लीशन। ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे गाइस आप डिफरेंट टॉपिक्स देख सकते हैं, विच ऑल टॉपिक्स दे आर कवरिंग। अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट, यू कैन सी द कूपन कोड विच इज 4F36 8B2D5C 409E3A4830. So guys, this is the coupon code. You can see the course content also, and directly you can see the instructor, the feedback, reviews, everything you can see, and directly enroll in this course. ठीक है, if we move on to the second course is podcasting success strategies, get podcast sponsorships. Again, this is amazing course guys. इसमें like how to podcast your business, discovering how we get our sponsorships and all. Ratings, if we talk about the ratings, it is 3.9 ratings, and already 10,346 students enrolled in this program. So you can see that here there will be 2 hours video lecture will be provided to you, 1 downloadable resources, lifetime access, and certificate of completion. So you can see the code also, which is PSSGPSEXPJUL172022. So guys, this is the coupon code. You can read the description and all. You can see the course content, and directly you can enroll in this program. Okay. If we move on to the third course, which is real fast podcast into best selling Kindle books easily. So guys, if you are an entrepreneur, and if you are writing books and all, you want to sell it through podcasting and all, you can go through this course. It's all again related to business entrepreneurship related. You can see the 4.4 ratings also. और यहाँ पे अगर स्टूडेंट्स की बात करें तो ऑलरेडी 12,842 स्टूडेंट्स एनरोल कर चुके हैं यहाँ पे. If we talk about the classes and also, there will be 2.5 hours video session will provided to you. 4 articles will be there, lifetime access, and certificate of completion. So you can see the coupon code, which is RFPI BSKBE XPJUL 192022. This is the coupon code guys. Those who want to apply in this, they can directly enroll in this course. Okay. If we move on to the next course, which is fourth number course, which is improve English by listening movies. So guys, this is amazing course. If you want to learn English by heart, so you can see movies and all. They have different movies, and which helps to increase their English speed and all. आप English बोलना अच्छे सीख सकते हो, तो improves English. Basically language teaching and academic related course है guys ये. तो यहाँ पे guys आप देख सकते हो, basically there will be like different opportunities will be provided. 4 hours video lecture will be there, lifetime access, and certificate of completion. You can see the coupon code, which is 02915594DD 22F7E94F4F. ठीक है, तो guys, this is the coupon code. You can see the course content and all, everything will be provided to you. If we move on to the next course, which is effective time management for a productivity boost. Again, this is a personal development, stress management, time management course. This is also amazing course guys, 4.5 ratings already. If we talk about the students, so 41,337 students enrolled in this program. If we talk about the video session lecture and all, it is 3.5 video content, 3 articles, 28 downloadable resources, lifetime access. You can see the coupon code, which is 8D6D7C109 F5895 7D8440. So this is the coupon code, guys. You can see the course content and all, everything will be provided to you. If we move on to the next course, which is Google AdWords Crash Course 2022. So guys, if you want paid advertising, Google AdWords is a basic key for getting a paid advertisement. Paid, you can get money from YouTube and from different sources of Google and all, marketing related. So you need, you can see different everything will be provided to you. 2.5 hours video lecture, 10 articles will be provided, and plus certificate. So you can see the coupon code, which is 150722. This is the coupon code, guys. Again, you can see the course content and all. If we move on to the next course, which is Citrix Virtual Apps and Desktop 7 Advanced Administration. So this is again IT certification course, guys, जिसमें आपको एडवांस 7 एडवांस एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन के बारे में बताएंगे. Basically this is a practice test, guys, so you will be providing with the 4 practice tests, and again is the coupon code 5F2B57 8B9E3 F0D742E3B. So guys, this is the coupon code. You can directly apply in this program also. If we talk about the next course, which is Facebook Ads Marketing Crash Course Traffic and Leads, which is again 2022 social media marketing related course. Okay, so you can directly enroll in this program. Again, this is like a 3.4 ratings, 40,549 students enrolled in this program, 1.5 hours video lecture, again 12 articles, lifetime access. You can see the certificate of completion also. Okay, so there is a coupon code which is 150722. Okay, so those students who are interested for this program, they can directly enroll in this program. If we move on to the second last course, which is Facebook Ads Marketing for Event Organic and Paid Strategy. So guys, those who are interested for social media marketing courses, they can directly enroll in this program. Again, if we talk about the ratings, it is 4.6 ratings already. If we talk about the students, so 46,928 students enrolled in this program. 1.5 hours video lecture will provide to you, 12 articles, and lifetime access will provided to you, plus certificate of completion. So you can see the coupon code, which is 150722. So this is a coupon code, guys. You can see the course content and all, everything will be provided to you. And if we talk about the last code, which is Decision Trees, Random Forest, Bagging, and XGBoost R Studio. So again, this is a highest rated course, 4.6 ratings. Again, if we talk about the students, so 57,708 students enrolled in this program. So you can directly see the video. You can see the 6 hours video lecture, 3 articles. We provide you 15 downloadable resources. Everything is provided to you. The coupon code is PYFBCKW. This is the coupon code. You can directly enroll in this program. You can see the course content. और कोई भी आपको डाउट होता है तो you can directly message in the comment box. Apart from that, आप मेरे को पर्सनल भी मैसेज कर सकते हो. लिंक्डइन या इंस्टाग्राम की लिंक मैंने डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दी हुई है, गाइस. तो आज के लिए गाइस अपन इतने रखते हैं. मिलते हैं अपन नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. गुड बाय गाइस. बाय बाय.